Hello, everyone. So, just want to run through some quick trades real fast. It was a pretty great day for me. Hope you all are doing well. So, we're going to start here with Caterpillar. Um, Caterpillar is a play on the materials sector. It's a play on reflation, which is, you know, my current view. We're dealing with a disinflationary time right now, uh, globally, but one major market, China, right, second biggest economy in the world, is reinflating. Okay, so Caterpillar is going to be a huge source of demand for them as currency debasement takes place worldwide. Precious metals should appreciate in value. Hard assets, right, should appreciate in value. And Caterpillar is a play on metals extraction and materials extraction. So um, I think I went over it yesterday, but I did a credit spread here, put credit spread, right, which would have benefited from a decrease in volatility. If we jump here to the hourly chart, it's exactly what happened. I showed this last night, right here, this historical volatility indicator, which had spiked up to, kind of the historical extreme um, of its range. And I played a bounce back down to the bottom of the range. And that did happen. And I actually closed that trade for about a 25 to 30% gain, which, if you ask me, for one day, that's a great gain. Okay, so a trade I took this morning was on Netflix. And I'm actually going to hold this one until tomorrow. Play again was a credit spread. And actually took it up here at 484. It was a little bit early. I should have waited longer, but hey, all's well that ends well, right? So this credit spread was expiring this Friday, tomorrow, and the play was basically that this was the bottom, that we were going to consolidate here above 480 for another day, and hopefully that works out. I'm still holding the trade. Most of the premium is drained, but if you can collect an extra few bucks, I don't anticipate the stock to fall 5% in a day. Anything can happen. But anyway, so that was the trade. Where else are we? So I took a debit spread long on the Qs. Okay, the debit spread was actually at 280, 282. I am now out of that. Okay, we see, we're coming into here, this moving average. It's called a Kijun. I'll go over the cloud another day. It's coming into Kijun on 4 hour as well. So, time to stop biasing so long on the market. You could still have some long bias on, in my opinion, because we're likely to see some more consolidation. Market loves to consolidate. Trend like this inside this continuation pattern. See, so we came down here to the bottom of the pattern. Maybe we can come up here to 292. Say next week, or say even by monthly expiry, 290. But I'm now out of that. And kind of my long play right now is just holding stocks. I'm holding, for me, a lot of stocks like Alibaba, right, which is a play on China, we already talked about. Palantir, which is a company that I love, which is a brand new IPO, which I might start hedging. It's kind of lost momentum here, so we'll see. Let's see, what other trades did I close? Well, my trade history is not pulling up, so we'll just move on to some other things. So for one, let's look at the dollar, okay? The dollar finally, someone put a cap on it right now. Thank goodness, but look at that. It is breaking inside of this cloud, okay? That's not good. If it closes inside of this cloud, and see this blue one has crossed over this red one, we call that a TK cross, Tenkan crossing Kijun, then there's a possibility that we eventually make it to the other side of this channel, of this cloud. And that's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. That's going to be deflationary. Risk has risen in my view. And we're probably going to see VIX equity volatility fall for now, kind of while DXY kind of digests this entrance into the cloud. But I am going to be putting on volatility hedges, okay, going into New Year's. I definitely see tremendous risk for volatility coming into New Year's. I do want to check one ticker. We got 10 minutes of market left. Okay, it's the Swiss franc. That's like CHF. Let's check it here. Okay, so how do we mark this up? This can be support, right? Previous resistance turns to support. The cloud bottom already tested, so perhaps this time the support will hold. But something to highlight is that the recent trend is down, and that's kind of what this tells you. This the fact that Tenkan is under Kijun. Okay, this is a suggestion that the near-term trend is more bearish than the long-term trend. Okay, so the long-term trend could be switching bearish, which jives perfectly with my thesis that dollar is becoming less bearish. Okay, so no, I don't need to take this trade. Certainly, this is support. So maybe I'll take this trade just a little bit. Okay, so check out that trade. Two more. Here's gold. I bought some gold today. Think when there's going to be craziness in the currency market, you want to pick up some gold, right? Because gold is not controlled by central banks. It's not subject to central bank volatility. Okay, so for instance, you saw here back in March that when the central banks were going crazy, okay, gold had a deflationary pulse, okay, which I fully expect to happen, right in here between December and January. Fully expect a deflationary pulse. Quick recovery, and trend up. Okay, trend up into this strong bull move. Okay, so look for that. I'm definitely gonna be buying that. If we get a chance to buy gold down here, I'm going in. And I can tell you that ahead of time, because it's just with such certainty. And the miner that I bought today. So I'm going to be accumulating gold miners from here into next year. And the best, this is not even a gold miner, I apologize. This is called a gold royal, okay? A gold royalty company. Franco-Nevada. It's the best gold company, probably. And by that I mean It's got a $28 billion market cap with 28 employees. Okay, so imagine that if each of your employees was worth $1 billion. I mean, this is, kind of the best company. So I'm accumulating this guy. I would, I'd think about this guy. Not investment advice at all, but I would learn about them. It's a good business in my mind. Okay, so about them, about gold, a little bit, and might swing a little bit on that Swiss franc. Let's maybe drill down on some time frames. And I also bought Walmart, which is not doing too hot at the moment. My position's about flat. Let's see. Yeah, it's flat. And I also bought AXP. So let's just go through that because I think I went over it yesterday. It's not doing well yet. It's not falling yet. It had a little move down, but I don't like this trade very much. I'm thinking of reducing it, of maybe cutting it half. So I took the trade, the call spread from 105 to 110, right? That's all the way up here. Maybe I will drop that to like 107, 110. So I can still be exposed to some upside, but I will cut my exposure because that trade's currently down 25%. So let's do that. I am reducing my vertical spread on that, okay? So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to sell the 95. These are for November 6th. I'm going to sell the 95 call option and buy the 97, okay? Here, let's go big. Maybe let's go big. Let's reduce stronger in this kind of environment. Let's go to 97.5. Okay. All right, I'm filled on that. I took 52 bucks off the table there. Okay, so my risk is now cut in half, cut even more than in half on that trade, right? I don't like that trade too much, right? This is not a great kind of reaction right now. You can always get back into a trade, right? Don't hold on to positions. This Walmart is, not great. It's not great right now, but volatility's down. You can see this whole massive range right here. I can pull up an indicator if that's gonna help. Okay, don't have that. Let's drop volume for now, and let's count ATR. Still not working. Well, maybe you can just take my word for it for now. This is a big move of volatility, right? This also is a pretty big move from volatility terms. So volatility hasn't really compressed too much, but I like that position more than the American Express, so I'm gonna hold that one. So the last thing we'll check out is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a lovely asset. Let's look at pure price data. So we're currently in this breakout from here to here. Let's get some targets on it, some short-term targets. So one way you can do that is to grab this golden ratio and check this out. So you can retrace from the top to the bottom of a retrace, and this 1.618 is a big target. That's often targeted by traders, by bots, anybody, because basically it's a very well-known exponential pattern. Okay, where something goes 1.618 and then 1.618 and then 1.618. So basically the so the cool thing about this is 1.618 squared is 2.618. Okay, and then if you do to the third, right, you get 4.236. See, so basically we're looking for 3 movements of 1.618 multipliers to get back to the all-time high. When's this gonna happen? Hell if I know. But Bitcoin's looking pretty good right now. Okay, think about this. Think about this trend. But anyway, guys, so it's been a good day. Hope y'all had a good day. And wanted to keep my streak alive of streaming every day. So thanks for anyone that ever sees this for watching, and have a good one. I also want to shout out really fast this this broker, Alpaca. I'm checking them out right now, and I really like their documentation, their functionality, and if you trade with scripts or bots or anything, I would really check them out. I just discovered them like a week ago, and I'm liking it. So, all right, see ya.